guys, welcome to Coupon Hacks. My name is Karna, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I'm so excited to bring you my haul for this week, 8/11 to 8/17 of 2019. I got a lot of pretty good CRTs this week, guys, and I hope that you did too. And I didn't buy any paper insert this week because here in Dallas, we are no longer receiving retail minute inserts. So I don't feel like I'm getting more for the inserts if I will buy because I'm only getting the smart source. So if you could recommend where I can get my paper, guys, I would greatly appreciate it. Yeah, but I was able to, print some coupons from coupons.com, and I was able to, stack some CRTs and manufactured coupons, and it came out pretty awesome. So here we go. So we are going to start with our freebie of the week. That's the Garnier Fructis shampoo, conditioner, and stylers. So the deal here is buy two, get a $4 extra bucks back. So I picked up two Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner. That is $3.99 at my store. And then I used a manufactured coupon from a retail minute insert last week. From that's 8/4. So my total out of pocket is $3.98, and I rolled my extra bucks and paid $3.98, but then I got back $4 in extra bucks back. So the final price for this is free. Another awesome deal is from Chic Razors, and the deal is spend 25 get a $10 extra bucks back. And by the way, I am very happy with this deal, guys, because this came out as a money maker for me. So I hope that you also got the shave CRT, which is 5 of 20 or 4 of 20 from Chic Razor, and take advantage of this deal as well. So here is the breakdown. I picked up three skin intimate for $8.49. So the total after coupons, the total before coupons is $25.47, and then I used three $4 Chic Razor manufactured coupon. That is, I printed that a couple of weeks ago. So if you're able to print that, and we also have I think two or at least one Shake Razor for $4 in the app. So clip that to cart and take advantage of this deal. So that will take out $12 for the three manufactured coupons. And then I got a 5 of 20 shave CRT that I kept from last week. So the total after coupons is only $8.47. And then I got $10 extra bucks back. So this came out as free plus $1.53 moneymaker. Another great deal is from you by Kotex. I picked up two liners or pads. So the deal here is buy two, get a $2 extra bucks. And Kotex this week is also on sale, two for $8. So I don't have any manufactured coupons for this. However, I just got lucky that I have threshold coupons as well as dollar single coupons. So I stacked all of them because per CVS policy, we can combine or we can just stack dollar off single coupons and spend threshold coupons. So these are the coupons that I used. And then I paid zero, and then I got $2 extra bucks back. So this is a $2 moneymaker for me. Rimmel Cosmetics is also on promotion this week. That is buy two, get a $5 extra bucks back. So I picked up three Bro Kit by Rimmel. That is $4.99 at my store. However, there are other stores that are only for $4.59. So you can just adjust your computation, guys. So in my store, I got it for $4.99. So the total before coupons is $14.97, and we have a high value coupon right now for $3, and that is available at coupons.com. I will be putting that in the link below, so you can also take advantage of this deal, guys, because this deal is really awesome. Even if you don't have any Rimmel CRT, you can still score great with this deal. So what I did is I picked up three Rimmel Bro Kit for $14.97, and then I used three of the $3 Rimmel internet printable coupon from coupons.com. That's for a total of $9. And then I have a 3 of 12 Rimmel Cosmetics CRT. That's why I got three, because I need to reach at least $12. So that deducted a total of $12. And then I have a balance of, or a total balance of $2.97. However, I got back $5 in extra bucks back. So this came out as free plus a $2.03 moneymaker. Another great moneymaker is from Covergirl. I'm also so excited to share this with you guys. Covergirl is spend 14, get a $7 extra bucks back. So what I did is I picked up one Covergirl Supersizer Fiber Mascara for $8.29. And then I also picked up one Covergirl Clear Mascara for $6.79. So I need to reach to up to $15 because I have a 3 of 15 Covergirl CRT. So before coupons, I have a total of $15.08. And then I used two of the $2 CoverGirl Internet Printable coupon from coupons.com. I'm not sure if that is still available. However, we have a dollar coupon that's available right now in the app or also from coupons.com. But if you were able to print that last week, guys, for $2, definitely use that because this will become a moneymaker for you. So if you also have a 3 of 15 CoverGirl CRT, and by the way, most of us are getting the mystery coupon for $3. So if you did not get this 3 of 15 CoverGirl CRT, you can also use the $3 CoverGirl CRT. So stack it with this coupon because we also have 150 send to app coupon. So please check your app, guys, and then clip it to your card because that's another 50 off. So after all these coupons, I only have a balance of $6.58, and then I got back $7 in extra bucks back. So this came out as another freebie for me, plus a 42-cent moneymaker. Awesome! We also have another awesome deal from Alma Cosmetics. By the way, Alma Cosmetics is on promotion this week. It's spend 12, get a $4 extra bucks back. So I picked up two Alma facial wipes. That's $6.49 at my store, while other store varies. So just adjust your computation. So before coupons, I have a total of $12.98. I don't have any manufactured coupon for this, guys, because I did not get any manufactured coupon, I mean, paper insert from last week. But if you have an Almay manufactured coupon, definitely combine it with this deal. So you can get this free plus a moneymaker. So here's the deal. I used the $5 Almay mystery coupon from the Redbox machine. So scan your card first before shopping because everybody will be getting a $5 Almay CRT from the Redbox machine, as well as I also got a 3 of 12 cosmetic CRT. So I also stacked it with this deal. And then I don't have any manufactured coupon. So the total after coupon for me is only $4.98. However, if you have that Almay manufactured coupon, so you can also combine it with this deal. So that will only come out very cheap for you plus a moneymaker. So in my case, I paid $4.98 and then got back $4 in extra bucks back. The final price is 98 cents or 49 cents each. I also picked up the OralB indicator because OralB multi-pack this week is also on promotion. That is buy one, get a $3 extra bucks back, and that's a limit of two. So I only got one OralB indicator because I only have one in my store. So the price for this is only $4.99, and we have a send to app coupon for the OralB manual toothbrush for $1. So clip it before you go to the cashier. So the total before coupons will only be $3.99, but then you will get $3 in extra bucks back. So the final price would be 99 cents. However, if you have a toothbrush CRT, you can combine it with this deal to make it even better. And lastly, I took advantage of the PNG deal that I spent 15, get a $5 extra bucks back. So I picked up three Pantene shampoo and conditioner that is on sale, three for $12. And I also picked up Tide Pods that is for $4.94. So these are all digitals, guys. I don't have any paper coupon for this. So we have $5 send to app coupon for the Pantene and $2 send to app coupon for Tide. So That's a total of $16.94. And then that was before coupons. And then I used $5 for the Pantene and $2 for the Tide. And then I also used my 3 of 12 shampoo CRT that I got this week. So after all the coupons combined, we only have a total of $6.94. And then I got back $5 in extra bucks. So the final price for this one for all four products is only $1.94 or 48 cents each. This week is definitely the best week to coupon. We have a lot of easy newbie friendly deals, and we have a lot of money makers too. So take advantage, guys. All of the coupons that I used never beeped. Everything went through perfectly. And I suggest making small transactions so it would be easy for you to track if there were no coupons that did not apply. Because based on my experience, small transactions are so much better and easier compared to doing it all at once. I always have a problem even if I put all transactions in one. Some cashiers, especially cashiers that are not friendly at all or that are not coupon friendly, they will return back the coupons. They won't even do an extra mile to call their managers to ask for approval, even if you are not even if you're following the coupon policy and using the right coupons. But so I just got lucky today because my coupon and my cashier was so nice. She was happy and was amazed with what I did and how I, do the deals. And she said that my coworkers don't like couponers or they don't like scanning coupons. So I'm like, really? So I don't know why they are in that job wherein CVS itself is like giving coupons all the time to customers, and I believe they are encouraging customers to do coupons as long as you follow the coupon policy and your coupons are not expired and it's not um, photocopied or whatever, then you are fine. So, so while we were talking, the trainee manager came and told her that she cannot accept the coupon that I just gave her, the internet printable coupon, and told her that next time not to accept it. So it's kind of rude. Good thing she still, accepted the coupons that I gave her from Covergirl and Rimmel. So I called corporate about it, and she said that there is no such thing as a CVS policy not to accept internet printable coupons. Actually, it depends on the store. So I really don't know. I really don't know if it just depends on the cashier or it depends on the store if they will accept it. So I don't know if I want to go back to that CVS because it's my first time that I've been there. Though that cashier was so nice. The manager is kind of not nice. He's kind of rude. So I don't know. But overall, my shopping trip was still great. I will still go back to CVS and I will still continue couponing. Definitely. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find value in this video. I really appreciate you dropping by here in my channel. And if you like this video, click hit and subscribe so you won't miss any of my money saving videos every week. And see you again in my next video. Bye.